Hello and welcome to EY Belts and Apparel. Thank you for joining us. Today we will go over our printable 62.5-inch scale. To start, click on the link Printable 62.5-inch scale from the title. It can also be found on our size guide page by following the link at the bottom of the home page or on any belt or collar product page. Please print this out. For both HP and Mac computers, under the printer settings, please select the Fill to Page or Fit to Page option for the most accurate sizing. Now, you can either tape these together or simply lay them out on top of each other. When placing them together, follow the number sequence on each sheet. Place sheet number 2 under sheet number 1, matching this line with the edge. Should look something like that. You'll now repeat this step with 3, 4, 5, and 6. Please note that if you're printing from a cell phone, the sizing may be off by ½ inch either up or down. So we do recommend printing from a computer for the most accurate sizing.